Now the next question they have given is root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Here in first term and in last term they have given root values. But the question is same. Find zeros of the polynomial and verify the relation between them. Okay, we will solve the same procedures, the same steps, whatever we have followed for the previous problem. That is what we need to do here. We'll multiply first factorization step. We will multiply first step into last step. That is root 3 x square into 4 root 3. Now root 3 into root 3. What it will? You will get root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square. Root and 3 get cancelled. Root and square root get cancelled. Then you will get 3. So 3 into 3x square into 4. I'll just write down a bit big. So what you will get? 12x square. Correct? So first term into last term multiplication you will get 12x square. Now I'll take any two terms. If I multiply that, I should get the middle term. If I add that, I should get this two terms. Okay. So what I'll get for here as of I have 8x. So what I should take 6 2s are 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. X square is there. So x into x. Okay. X square is there. X square into x. Now what is the sign of the middle term? Minus. So here it is a plus. So that is why it's minus and minus. If you do it minus 6x minus 2x, if you add, you will get minus 8x. Am I right? So instead of minus 8x, you just substitute this. Here root 3x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 equal to 0. Now next step is grouping two terms. Now group it here. What is the common term you will take? As looking into this only you can say that x, as x1 common is there. Okay. Then root 3 is here, as 6 is there. How you will take common? You cannot take common. So what we will do is, at this scenario, we will convert the 6 as, how you can convert? How you will convert the 6x? In terms of root you have to convert. So when you convert this, okay. Now look at here, 6 is equal to root 3 I have written. Now, is that equal? What I will do is, one more root 3 I will take. Now as we know that root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. Then I'll take 2 here. So 2 into root 3 into root 3. I'll substitute there. First we will substitute, then we will take common. Root 3x square minus 2 into root 3 into root 3 into x. I think you understood. Now we'll see. Now just compare this. You will be having root 3 as well as x has the common in these two terms. So root 3x. So here you will get 1x. Here 2 into root 3. Am I correct? So what is the common term you can take? Here 4 is there, 2 is there. Okay, I will take 2 as of x is here. X is not there. I cannot take it. Root 3 is here and root 3 is not here. I cannot take it. That also as the common. So 2, I can take it as the common. Then remaining what else is there? X, then minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This and this same. This and this is same. So when both are same, you have to write one term. That is 2 into x minus 2 into root 3. So what is remaining? Root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now equate each term to the 0 and find out the x value. Now x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Root 3x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 root 3. Root 3x is equals to 2. As minus 2 and it goes this side from left to right or right to left, it becomes plus. So x is equals to 2 by root 3. Here x equals to 2 root 3. So the two values for the x you got. These values are nothing but these values are also called as the roots of this given equations. Okay. They are also called as zeros or roots of the given polynomial. Understood? So here the solving part is finished. The next part is the verification. Now how you will verify? One is the normal addition and multiplication. One more is using the formulas. See here, sum of zeros. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, that is c by a. We will solve this. What is the b value? Just we will write here standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a value? Root 3. What is b value? Minus 8. What is c value? 4 root 3. So we will start substituting these values here. You substitute, minus will be same. What is b value? Otherwise I will do here. So minus b by a is equals to minus. What is b value? Minus 8 divided by what is a value? Root 3. So minus into minus is plus. So plus 8 by root 3 is the sum value. That is equals to alpha plus beta. Now c by a. What is c value? 4 root 3 divided by what is a value? Root 3. So root 3 get cancels. Beta c by a is equals to 4. That is alpha into beta. So this is the formula method. Now normal addition we will do. By using what values I should do it? By using the x value what we got already. So 2 by root 3 plus 2 into root 3 plus 2 by root 3. As 1 is a normal number, 1 is a fraction here. How you will solve? Just by taking LCM. 1 into root 3 is a LCM. So this root 3 is not here. So I have to multiply the root 3 to the numerator. So root 3 into root 3 is root 3 6. Root 3 is already there here. As this LCM root 3 is already is there in the denominator. So you don't need to multiply anything. Whatever in the numerator, just write down. Square root cancels. 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by root 3. So what you got? 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by root 3. So we got the same answer. See here. And if you multiplication part, we will see. Multiplication. What are the values we got? 2 into root 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 get cancels. See, look at the value 4. Here alpha into beta value is also 4. So here it is verified. Here, the next part is find the equation of the polynomials given the zeros of the polynomials. What is the zeros of the polynomials? We know that the zeros of the polynomials means it is sum and product value. So what is sum? It is alpha plus beta. What is product? It is alpha into beta value. What is the values they have given is, first value will be alpha plus beta. The second value will be alpha into beta. Now there is a standard format equation to find out the equation for the polynomial where you can substitute this value, just keep it. Now x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the standard equation where you can substitute the given values, that is zeros of the polynomial values, and you will get the equation for the polynomial. Simple question. X square minus alpha plus beta is what? 1x. What is alpha beta value? 1 equal to 0. Now this is the polynomial equation. Understood? I think this is the last topic of the chapter, and we have covered the curve part. We have covered the proving the relationship between the sum and product value. Then this is the last part of this chapter.